Hi, I'm Hayley from Rowville Library, and I'm here as part of ERL's Sustainable Festive Season to show you how to make Christmas crackers. You're going to need cardboard rolls, which you can get out of empty toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, some string, ribbons or twine to tie the end of your crackers together, and some paper. You can use plain paper or Christmas wrapping paper. This is a great activity for using the thinner slices at the end of your Christmas paper rolls, the pieces that are too small to wrap around presents. And added extra you can put in your crackers are Christmas cracker strips, which you can get from craft shops. They're the things that make the cracker go pop when it's pulled. I won't be using those today, but I will tell you when to insert them into your cracker if you're going to use them at home. Let's get started. Every cardboard roll is going to be a different size or length, so you'll need to measure the paper to the size of the roll that you're using. To do this, just make sure the paper covers all the way around the end of your roll with some overhanging on the sides for handles. Once you've done that, place your paper outside facing down and put some glue on the edge of the page that's closest to you in the middle. Then you can put your cardboard roll on top of that and start rolling the roll along with the paper to the other end of the page. Press down a bit here, make sure that glue sticks. Keep going. When you get near the other end, put some more glue down so we can make sure that side of the page sticks as well. Keep rolling. Press that down too. Next, we're going to be making the handles on the ends of the cracker. If you're going to be using cracker strips, you're going to need to insert them now and affix them to the inside of your cracker, because when we make the handles, you will not be able to get the cracker strip all the way through the cracker. So now, grab the page towards the end of the cardboard roll, firmly but gently squeeze and twist. You'll need to be careful not to do it so hard that the paper on the end of the roll rips, and then tie it with your ribbon, string, twine or rubber band. Now that we have one end of our Christmas cracker done, you can put your goodies in the other end. You can use paper crown hats, a silly Christmas joke, or maybe a chocolate treat. You can put in whatever you like as long as it fits inside that cardboard roll inside. Once you've put them in, you can squeeze and twist firmly but gently with this end, just like we did with the other end, and tie it up. For this cracker, I'm using compostable twine to make my crackers more sustainable. So when I'm done with these crackers, the paper and cardboard can go straight into the recycling, and the twine can go into my compost heap at home or my worm farm. And that's your basic Christmas cracker done. If you're using plain paper, you can put on more decorations with ink stamps, draw on some simple patterns or shapes, or just like with this cracker, you can cut a strip of Christmas wrapping and glue it along the middle of your cracker to make it look more festive. Who do you think will win? Ah, it was me. Thank you very much for watching my video tutorial on how to make Christmas crackers. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a try at home. It is a fun activity. Wishing you a safe and happy festive season. Bye.